Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we'll continue building financial model for a manufacturing business idea. Today we will start talking about direct expenses, direct costs. I hope you enjoyed this video. You may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. At the end screen of this video I will be giving the link to the playlist where I will be putting all these tutorials, and when the whole model will be ready I will be putting the links on these tutorials in the description of this video as well, so you may watch these videos for free. So during previous videos I will go briefly. So we were specifying the product names, created the interfaces for switching on and off products from calculations. We specified the speed with which we produce hourly product A and product B. We added some coefficients for this productivity. Then we have two lines, we can switch them on and off. We have two products. Here we can allocate the time that is devoted to production of product A and product B on line number 1 and line number 2. Then we specify when we start operating activity, it's here. Then we assume that we have capability of working in 3 shifts. We can switch on and off each shift on each line, production line. We can specify when each shift appears, on which month of operating activity. So for example, if it is fifth month of operating activity, this will be July 2023. If we would like to displace the business start on July, we can see how all these values quickly changed. So the fifth month of operating activity will be November 23. 18th month of operating activity will be December 24. So we can easily play with all this stuff. Then we specify the duration of one shift. Then we specify how many work days we have inside the typical year, inside each month. Then we calculate the production plan for product A and B for each line, and now we will start working with direct expenses. So what first of all we will do, we will just production plan consolidation. So this will be product A and product B. Product A and product B. We will need this later to multiply on the values in this table. So product A will be the total of this, and this will be the total products produced on line 1 and line 2. So this is line 1, line 2, product B. Now we're extrapolating this stuff to the right. And now it's time for us to create the direct costs library. Direct costs library, let's call it direct costs library. So this will be direct cost item name, then price per unit of direct cost item, so format cells, alignment, center, wrap text. So this will be the list of direct cost item 1. So this will be, here we will see the list of direct costs items. Let's say we have 20 items that form the expenses, direct cost expenses. So price per unit, for example, we can just assume some numbers. Let's imagine so this is the price per unit of, for example, gas, package, or anything we're using while we're producing product A or product B. So this is the price of direct cost item that we buy to produce product A or product B. So this is the then local coefficient, we will use it. Local coefficient, this will be 100%. So these are the inputs. That's why we are coloring these cells with blue, because blue is the unique color for all our inputs. So these are the inputs, these are the inputs, this is the input, these are the inputs. So later during scenario analysis we must be able to easily find all the inputs to play with these numbers. So this is local coefficient. Then we will create for direct expenses global coefficient, direct cost global coefficient. The base value of this coefficient will be 100%, which means 1. All this stuff will be needed later for scenario modeling. So this is local coefficient, this is global coefficient. Cost global. What we can do, price per unit, we can do even easier. Global coefficient, copy. We can use center red text. So this will be the input as well. We can delete this now. Price per unit, final. This will be this value multiplied this local coefficient multiplied global coefficient. We are freezing this cell. So this is the library where we put the list and prices per unit of direct cost item that participate in our manufacturing process. So all components that participate in our production process, manufacturing process, we are putting here. And now what we will do now, we are moving to well, direct costs, product A, so here will be the direct cost item name that participates in manufacturing process of product A. Then we will place here the price. Let me format cells. Center, wrap text. Then we will place here consumption of direct cost item per unit of product. So here we will specify how much of direct cost of this or that direct cost item we consume during production of one product, and this will be so. Here in this column we will be using data validation. We will be picking the data from this column, then we are pressing enter, and this is the input. So here we'll be placing let's just first of all create the list. So this is the list of components that participate in manufacturing of product A. Then we will be using VLOOKUPs. We will be searching this value in this table. In this table we will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th column, exact match. Then I will be freezing this table where I will be searching for this value. if error, I will be putting 0 here, then I press enter. Then here is the input area. I will be coloring it with blue as well. So here we specify how many in natural units, how many natural units of this or that direct cost item participates in production of one product A. So here is the price of one direct cost item, and here we specify how many units of this direct cost item participates in production of one product A in this case. So for example, let me just imagine some numbers here. Then total direct costs dollar per product, so this will be, we will multiply this value on this value, then I will create totals of that, and now we can for example paste here the data. So for example, in manufacturing of product A participates direct cost number 6, for example number 2, number 8. So now we can specify the cost of production of product A. The same story, so this will be the header. The same story we are doing with so direct cost. Let me just adjust the color. So this will be for product A, and this table will be for the next table will be for product B. So in product B, manufacturing another direct cost item may participate. So here we can specify what direct cost items participate, and we will be able to see the total direct cost for each direct cost item per product. But now we just create the direct cost per product, per one product, one unit of product B and 1 unit of product A, and now we need to calculate the totals for direct costs for product A and product B, depending on how much each product is, how much units is being produced monthly, manufactured. So this is the amount, this is the cost of production, and this will be the next exercise of our this will be the next exercise, this will be the next topic of our video. So you may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. So I will be placing at the end screen of this video, I will be placing the link to the whole playlist where I will be showing how I've created this model from scratch, and when this model will be done, I will be placing the links on the whole creation in the description of this video as well, so you can watch these tutorials for free. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.